Hey folks, and welcome to week number 3. It's a pretty simple week because all I really need you to do is work on your essay and just a couple other real quick things. So number one, watch the video. You're doing that right now. Great job. There's a video here on just some basic essay structure. Take a look at that. It'll sort of help you to think through it. Then I've given you a sample essay once. If you want to know what this looks like, this is refers specifically to the two articles that I used for the sample grid last week. So feel free to take a look over that sample essay right here. Essay 1 assignment folder right here that's due on September 9th at 11 a.m. And then this last link here is a survey for us. This is the English department does an assessment project every year. We look at one of our classes and try to figure out where students are doing a good job and where they aren't doing a good job, and where they're not doing a good job, we want to change our teaching or our content to make sure that we cover whatever it is to make it better for you guys. So this year we're looking at 102, and if you guys would be willing to take this survey, it's totally anonymous. It will help us to figure out which aspects of the information literacy component in particular you do well at, and which ones we need to spend more time working on in future semesters. So if you could do that, I'd really appreciate it. If you've got any questions about it, don't hesitate to let me know. And if you've got questions about the class in general, just let me know.